So hello everyone, welcome back to all you board regulatory bodies. As you know that less than 15 days are left for your SEBI Grade A Phase 1 2024 exam. Let's today discuss 5 essential tips which you need to know in this last 15 days to clear not only Phase 1 exam but actually overall SEBI Grade A exam. Let's discuss these 5 tips which are totally based on the real foundational problems or mistakes which most of the students do in SEBI Grade A preparation. These all students are smart, they do dedicated preparation, they are having strategy. But the problem is अगर आपने foundational गलती ही की, then it is very difficult to clear the overall SEBI Grade A exam. What I see is that most of even my colleagues, even me, SEBI Grade A Phase 1 exam is very easy to clear. Predetermined cutoffs are there. Paper 1 भी easy होता है. पेपर 2 के अगर आप क्वेश्चंस देखोगे, ऑल द 6 सब्जेक्ट्स कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी, फाइनेंस, मैनेजमेंट, देन कॉस्टिंग, इकोनॉमिक्स, कंपनीज एक्ट. फेज 1 पेपर 2, दिस वॉट एवर पेपर कम्स, यहां पर जो ओवरऑल क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फॉर ऑल द 6 सब्जेक्ट्स, डेफिनेटली द लेवल इज इजी टू मॉडरेट. Again, your predetermined cutoff 40% is there, so that is why phase 1 is very easy to clear. Most of the students clear it. Problem is phase 1 clear करने के बाद then they get eliminated in phase 2, क्योंकि phase 2 में difficulty थोड़ी सी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है, न्यूमेरिकल्स आ जाते हैं. So why this happens? It is because actually the whole problem how students start preparing for SEBI Grade A exam. 2 साल में SEBI Grade A exam एक ही बार आता है. जब वो आ जाता है, so for students to prepare it long term, that is for 6 to 8 months, that's not possible. तो जनरली कैसे होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स लुक इनटू द मार्केट या फिर यूट्यूब पे देख लेते हैं कि ठीक है इस साल SEBI Grade A आने वाला है, एंड दे स्टार्ट देयर प्रिपरेशन जस्ट बिफोर द एग्जाम, मे बी 4 months, 2 months और 3 months बिफोर द एग्जाम. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस आइडियली. व्हेन दीज स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट देयर प्रिपरेशन, साइकोलॉजिकली आप भी फेज 1 के लिए ही पहले प्रिपेयर करोगे. सो व्हाट यू डू इज दैट फर्स्ट यू प्रिपेयर फॉर फेज 1 एंड देन यू थिंक ठीक है भाई फेज 2 के लिए बाद में प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे, या फिर आई prepare along but I'll give more dedicated hours to phase 1. But the reality is कि अगर आप phase 1 देखोगे तो उसकी लेवल भी और उसके ऑलरेडी जो कट ऑफ 30%, 40% एंड ओवरऑल 40% है, इसकी वजह से phase 1 तो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर कर जाते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाई द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम विच इज एसोसिएटेड विद SEBI Grade A प्रिपरेशन इज टू प्रिपेयर फॉर phase 2 डायरेक्टली, क्योंकि phase 2 की लेवल भी हाई होती है. अगर आप phase 2 के लिए प्रिपेयर करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली phase 1 का पेपर 2 तो आपका वैसे ही निकल जाएगा. सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक विच स्टूडेंट्स डू. सेकेंड अगर मैं प्रॉब्लम बताऊं तो दिस इज अबाउट न्यूमेरिकल्स. थियरी, कॉन्सेप्ट्स, ये तो सारे स्टूडेंट्स इट इज क्लियरर, एज वेल एज दीज स्टूडेंट्स विल रीड, गिव मॉक टेस्ट, वॉच वीडियो लेक्चर्स, everything they'll cover. But when it comes to numericals, practicing numericals is always a hard nut to crack. That is why many of the students avoid it or else they procrastinate it. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, अगेन फेज 2 में these students will get affected क्योंकि वहां पर न्यूमेरिकल्स डिफिकल्ट आ जाते हैं. ऑल्सो दिस ईयर एज वी ऑल नो इन फेज 2 पेपर 2 द टाइमिंग हैज बीन इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 40 minutes to 90 minutes. Essentially this shows that either first case numericals will come difficult in nature, also the marks allocation would be more for numericals and therefore time has been given more. Second thing, maybe descriptive answer writing may come in SEBI Grade A exam splitted, that means whatever 50 questions are there for 100 marks, maybe 30 MCQs are there, 20 descriptive marker questions are there. We don't know what actually is, but these are the 2 cases which can happen. Considering this, so the second point, that is numericals, at least you know कि न्यूमेरिकल्स तो आने वाले हैं, डिस्क्रिप्टिव का तो अभी आपको पता नहीं है कि डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग आएगा कि नहीं. यू कैन प्रिपेयर आंसर राइटिंग अलॉन्ग विद द एसेस, बट आई कैन रिकमेंड कि न्यूमेरिकल्स के ऊपर आपको पता ही है कि डिफिकल्ट तो आने ही वाले, बिकॉज फेज 2 न्यूमेरिकल्स आर डिफिकल्ट और थोड़े से लेंदी भी होते. सो कंसिडरिंग दैट, अगेन ये भी एक सेकंड प्रॉब्लम है. एंड थर्ड इज एट 6 सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर फॉर दिस ह्यूज सिलेबस, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज. So that is why here are the 5 tips. Let's discuss on this. These all 3 problems we will try to solve for SEBI Grade A preparation. First is past year papers. ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So the first tip is, as 15 days are left, you would be going and running after mock test, which is fine. Practice mocks, it's fine. Try to give mock tests as well as do mock analysis. That is a good way to do go for in last 10 days for any exam. But past year papers are very, very essential to know which are the topics in the last days I should definitely read and go to exam, and which are the topics which even if I miss, that's fine. So you have to understand it considering SEBI syllabus being too wide. अगर आप देखोगे, even take example of costing, finance, वहां पर जो आपको ए बी सी डी सेक्शन दिए उन्होंने वो ऐसे ही दिए नहीं है. इट शोज यू कि ए बी सी इसमें से कोई ना कोई ए इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा, बी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा. इन मेनी ऑफ माई पास्ट लेक्चर्स आई हैव टोल्ड विच आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, विच आर नॉट. This you can only understand with past year paper and it is very essential. Second tip which I would give is reverse engineering. If students don't know what reverse engineering is, let me tell you what reverse engineering is. It is nothing but take any subject, जैसे कि आपने finance ले लिया या फिर commerce and accountancy ले लिया. Consider any of a practice mock or any of the question, practice mock or any of the question. You have to solve practice mock or question for this particular subject, and from that you can find out which were the questions which you could easily solve, which were the questions which you were unable to solve, and these unable questions you can find out the topics and again go and revise these topics. So it is reverse engineer. You don't read the topic and then give test, rather you first give the tests. From tests you understand, okay, I understand this, I can better do better or perform better in these topics, and I do not perform in these particular topics or these numericals. So let me practice what I don't know. So improving your weakness. Reverse engineering is very, very important because in SEBI, they have given you the syllabus, but overall if you look at the past year paper, you will understand that SEBI is obsessed with certain topics and those questions will definitely come in the exam in phase 1 as well as in phase 2. So for example ratio analysis हो गया या फिर आपका CFS के problems हो गए, वो आएंगे ही आएंगे. So consider that. Similarly factual और data oriented companies act के questions हो गए, तो वहां पर भी वो questions आने ही आने हैं, and when you know it, it is very essential that these topics you are very well versed. Next, mock test analysis. Do not take this lightly. Mock test analysis generally लोगों को क्या लगता है? What is mock test analysis? Simple. You gave SEBI grade A's phase 1 mock test, phase 2 mock test. You gave it, you saw how much marks you get. Then you checked your answers. Okay, this I made wrong, that I made wrong. This is considered to be a generic and ordinary mock test analysis. But you have to go beyond it. So whenever you are doing a mock test analysis, have an white sheet with you or have any of the document with you, maybe a e-book or maybe a normal practical book. In that you have to write down how much questions you made right and from which topics they were. Then which questions you made wrong. What were the options responsible? Which was the technique you applied? Maybe you did elimination in some of the questions and it didn't work out. Maybe in some practice mocks or mocks, it worked out. Understanding that which of the questions you applied correct logic and the answer was correct. Which questions you applied wrong logic and still questions were correct, or maybe still questions were wrong. This is what you have to understand, and this is what completely mock test analysis is. Past year analysis when you are doing, you can do it in this way. For example, which was the question asked? Was it conceptual, data oriented or theoretical? What was the level of the question? Difficult, easy. Based on the difficulty, if I was in examination, would I attempted or would I didn't attempt it? And last is conclusion. From this particular one question, what do we understand? Is this topic important? In this topic, is this subtopic important? This topic, how much time it has repeated in past year? This is what everybody has to do. Remember, past year analysis when you are doing, you do it only for one time, but you do it in such a way that even if any question comes before you, you are able to tell the answer also, and at the same time you are also able to tell that is this question of a quality to be in real SEBI grade A exam. That's when you have done a real mock test analysis, past year analysis. Then comes numerical practice. See, I'm talking about not mock tests here, just numerical practices. So there are certain topics like I told, cash flow statement, ratio analysis. We can consider 100% a numerical will be asked on it. So if a numerical is going to come on these particular topics, why not to solve at least 15 to 20 numericals based on these particular topics? And this will also give you enough confidence also. And also, suppose a topic is there, based on that topic, suppose 6 to 8 type of numericals are asked in overall subject. So definitely, you can cover all the 6 types. And then in real exam, any type of question comes, you will not lose your confidence. You will feel confident and you will attempt the question. The second problem about phase 2 exam in SEBI is also that most of the students, they fear of attempting numericals because इतनी practice नहीं होती है. So that is why practicing numerical is very important. Again, I will tell you this practice is not related to mock tests. It is more about developing a aptitude कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के 8 टाइप्स 10 टाइप्स होते हैं और उसमें से हर एक टाइप मुझे सॉल्व करना आता है और मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूं. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एंड लास्ट इज फेज 2 प्रिपरेशन. When you are looking at SEBI grade A exam, look it from only phase 2 point of view. Do not look it from phase 1 point of view. Again, I'm not saying that don't prepare for phase 1. I'm saying that when you are looking at phase 2, prepare the paper 2, that is 6 subjects, which I just said. All the 6 subjects you have to prepare as if you were giving phase 2 exam. Automatically, आपका phase 1 paper 1 निकल जाएगा. And related to quant, reasoning, English, this comes much more of lower level than RBI. Easily आप क्वांट रीजनिंग इंग्लिश जीए को क्लियर कर सकते हो. वन मोर गुड न्यूज इज दैट एज यू ऑल नो सेक्शनल कट ऑफ होता ही नहीं है सेबी में, राइट. इन पेपर 1 डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू ब्रिंग 30% मार्क्स, दैट इज कट ऑफ आउट ऑफ 100, दैट इज 30 मार्क्स. तो चाहे आप वो क्वांट में लो, रीजनिंग में लो या जीए में लो. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेल. इफ यू आर अ फर्स्ट टाइमर देन यू विल फील दैट क्वांट करना है, रीजनिंग करना है, पर एक्चुअली देखो कि व्हाट इज द रियल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एग्जाम. एंड द रियल रिक्वायरमेंट इज ऑल दोज 6 सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच आई सेड. So that's why these were the 5 tips to understand and prepare for SEBI grade A exam. Best of luck for your exam, and yes, soon we'll be starting marathons also for SEBI grade A exam 2024 phase 1. We'll start it from 18th of July. Thank you.